Hey everyone, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you how you can make cool, blingy, groovy video numbers and letters. And I did prepare one earlier for you, and I'll just show you. This is my Instagram feed, and I'll just press play, and they're just numbers or letters that have a video inserted into them, so they're a bit blingy and glittery and make scroll stopping posts for your feed. So without further ado, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I want to show you how you can make this groovy, cool, moving number three, like social media post for your not Canva feed, your Instagram feed. So I'll just go to this top arrow to play it, and it'll just play and show you when it's loaded that it's actually quite a bright, eye-catching, glittery, moving post. And honestly, it is so easy to make in Canva. So I'll add a page and I'll delete the background for now, and I'll show you just how quick and easy you can make this post. So to get the elements up, the letters up, they're actually called framed letters. So you go to elements and you go to frames and see all, and all the letters and numbers are right down the end of the frame section. So there's a neat trick to load the letters up. So I'll load up, that was a 3. So I might just do L, O, I'll do V and E. So all the numbers, I think the E went on, did it? No, I'll go E. Right, so all the letters have laid upon on top of each other. So there's a neat trick to, if you group them and resize them down, and then click off and just move them as best as you can into an evenly spaced sort of line, and then you group them again, go to position, and you go tidy up, and then just have an overall look. And you might want to just arrow them a little bit closer, just so they're not too gappy. We'll go again, position, tidy up, and it's just made it a bit neater. I'll just put it in the middle. I'll make it larger just so it's easier to see. And so now what we want to do is load up a video. So you go to videos on the left, and whatever video you want, you just type into the search bar. So I'm going to type in donut. Whoops, if I could spell it. And there's a neat trick too. There's so many videos will appear that if you just hover over the video, it'll show you how quick or slow it moves. And some move really fast, some are just gentle. Like this one, the donuts just circle, whereas this one, the donuts move sort of down the page. So I might just go to this, this one. And to load it, you just grab the video and drag it into the letter. But you have to do it 4 times into each of the letters. And I'll do one more. And so now what I'll do is just to accentuate it, I might make the background pink and see, oh, maybe it's a bit bright, maybe a lighter pink, a grey, green. Really, whatever you want to do. Sometimes if you scroll down, the photo colours of the video will appear, so that's another option too. That one doesn't show real good, so I'll stick with that one for now. And then if you go to like the arrow button up the top, because I've got a few templates, it plays the whole row of templates as if they're a video, but I'll just scroll it along a bit, and it'll play the next one in a minute. Play. Nope. Here we go. So you see that the actual video is quite eye-catching and quite lovely to look at. So people will, if you're using it as a post in your Instagram feed, it's sort of very eye-catching. And if you go back to the top post, which was what I wanted people to really take notice, it was 3 ways to something or other. So I've added an animated, or actually if you go to elements, X out of that, and you just type in arrow, you can get a moving arrow by clicking the filter option there and going animated, apply filters, and that's the arrow I used. So I think you can see that that's actually a great way to use the letters and the video, like the video option in the letters, to get your clients to take notice of your posts. So I hope that's helped, and most of all, have fun and like and subscribe to the channel, because I pop up a new video every week on a Thursday. And thanks for watching.